Hey guys, welcome back to haha 7382 haha.
Wow.
No, I remembered.
Okay, I'm getting food and water.
Yeah,
We
run.
gotta meet up.
Okay. I'm gonna whistle.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Parkour.
Did you do it?
Do what?
Parkour?
Yeah.
Okay. I was kind of hoping you would have fell, but that's okay.
I don't.
Okay. Yeah. At least you tried. No, you missed 100% of the shots. You
Gina, no! No! Give me that.
found you. Oh, I need to make a thingy. What do they call it? Wait.
Oh. I'm a genius.
Oh.
Look at us go. I'm just built like a pro, I guess.
Oh.
Wait, look.
I'm gonna go get what?
There's lights.
Where?
There's the LED ones. Wait, I can't get them. Okay, I got one.
You missed 100%.
No!
Of the shots you don't take.
Okay, I gotta make that
Okay.
rainbow.
I need city lights too, so we can make like a little.
I see you. I see you. Wait, okay, I made
Stop
it rainbow.
looking at me.
Huh?
Don't look at me
Why not?
because you're scary.
I am not scary. I'll have you
You are.
know.
You're very scary. You know, I wake up and I'm like, oh, she's so scary. I just fell.
That's rude.
No, you're rude.
No, I'm not. I am the least rude person in the universe, actually. Come on, Jimmy, you got it.
I can't.
You can. I believe in you.
Oh, I got it. Ah! I got up and then I slid on accident and fell off. And I'm not a parkour master like the rest of us. Why did I say the rest of us? The rest of you.
The rest of us.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
No, no, guys, this is funny. Please let me up. Please.
Gina,
How am I supposed to get up there?
jump here.
Oh, I got it. Do you have any food I can borrow?
Borrow. You're gonna eat it, then like puke it back
Borrow.
up.
Borrow,
No, you can
yes.
have it. Come here.
Oh, okay. How did you get up there? Oh,
You
I'm gonna
gotta-
fall. This isn't good.
No, you're not gonna
This is
fall.
scary. Oh my god, there's people. There's people up.
What the?
Oh my god.
How did he get up here?
Oh,
What the hell? What the heck? Come on, you
figure out
little child.
Oh, fell.
Oh no, I'm gonna die. Okay, I just created a random waypoint. It doesn't even have a freaking name.
No!
Oh no, I'm gonna die! No! Neither.
Wait, where's my weight?
Wait.
Oh my god, I'm a
I see him.
1,000
I see you.
steps away.
This way, this way.
Bum bum bum. A duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the man, "Run in the stand."
We gotta make our little place look so aesthetic.
Yeah, it's gonna be adorable.
Look, I sound just like the game. Don't play.
Oh no! They're getting me!
Ow.
He's jumping on my head!
Ah! Why can't I hit them? What the heck?
I'm just gonna run away. You know, when in doubt, run away.
When in doubt, run away.
Yes, that's what I live by. Actually, that's probably not a good thing to live by.
Wait. Okay, I put the ladder up.
This door is now closed. There's a house over here. Oh, can I just use your house, please? Oh,
Uh-oh.
God.
Ah! I just fell. I'm a fucking dumbass.
Oh no!
I
You
just
can't
cursed
say
you.
those words on YouTube.
Huh?
Can't say those words on YouTube.
Yeah. Oh my god! There's so many of them! There are so many of them!
Are in love with you? Confirmed.
Yeah, they are. They're so in love with me.
They are, yeah.
You know, as they should be, though, to be honest.
As they should, you know? I don't blame them.
Oh. Oh no. Woo!
Oh!
I
Yay!
knocked his foot down!
Make
I
12?
knocked him down! Wait, I'm stuck. Oh, all my stuff is here!
Stuff.
Okay, I just need energy stuff. And I need like a med kit or something. Here. My sacred area.
No, I want to be there too.
This is my man cave.
No, you what? Your man cave?
Yeah, this is my man
Is that
cave.
something you want to tell me? Oh, he's going in your man cave.
That's because he can do parkour.
I can do parkour.
Prove it.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it. Ready?
Yeah. Actually, no, wait. I want to watch this.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
Okay.
No, you don't. I was almost there. The heck?
You slid! There's food up here.
Okay. Well, I can't get up there, so
I dropped some down.
okay.
I'm gonna throw
Thank
food
you.
on you.
Thank you.
Why do you put a bunch of bees?
Oh my god! I did it! I did it! Oh, it's
Welcome to
cute.
the man cave.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello. Streamer hold. Oh, I just took
Yeah.
damage from that. Yeah. Oh my god.
Hopefully, I get there before.
Ah, I'm stuck in the floor! I'm stuck in the floor! Okay, I got out.
I'm gonna eat it.
Nope. Look. Look at me. Look. Yummy.
Oh.
I'm gonna die. I need energy. I need food.
I have lemons.
I need
Do you want
food.
them? Here, you can have them.
I need stuff that will give me energy too.
That's all I have. I'm sorry. I feel like we need to make it more aesthetic. So many. Your viewers are gonna be like, "Why are they saying aesthetic?" They're not gonna
For
understand.
context, I just started saying that stupidly as a joke, but now we just stick with it, I guess. We gotta make sure nobody comes up here.
Like sometimes I'll talk to like people and I'll say aesthetic, and then I'm like, "Oh, that's embarrassing,"
Oh my god.
because I forget. I forget that's not actually how you say it.
Yes.
Look at the. I wish I could dance.
Safety. Oh.
Why are you saying, "Oh"?
I think because he saw me crouching in front of me. I think he saw me crouching in front of you.
Oh.
Where'd he go? Oh. Oh, I have no energy to do cool stuff. I have no energy. Please help.
Go.
New one. I'm gonna set a new one.
I'm gonna go, and I'm
trash
gonna
this
get you
one.
food.
I'm gonna name this
Look, I got you hot
Man
dog.
Cave. And then we're gonna make the icon a skull emoji. No, we're gonna make it the Among Us sus. And then the color is
Among
gonna
Us?
be
Among Us? Among Us?
cyan because I was always cyan in Among Us.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm stuck on the floor! This isn't fair!
Where?
He's beating me up because I'm stuck! Stop
Please
it!
exit the building.
No! 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 I risked my life for you and you just stand there and watch?
Oh my god.
So rude.
Me too. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. That was so aggressive. I said, get off.
Help me! Help me!
Oh, I just fell.
Well, I got you food, so.
Well, I'm gonna die anyway, so
Okay.
I'm just gonna let him kill me.
No, don't do that. No, no, no.
I need
no.
energy. I need energy.
Maddie's making a YouTube video. Oh. Yeah.
How?
Hi
Yo!
y'all! No, you gotta post that.
You want to keep that in?
I'll keep it in.
Hi y'all! Your eyes are really bad, Gina.
Yeah?
Yeah? Bye.
Fine.
Have fun in your YouTube video. And Maddie, keep it. I wanna see.
I'll keep it. I will keep it.
Thanks!
Nice. Am I not spinning?
You're spinning, but it's so like we could tell you're on the phone.
Okay, well, what am I supposed to do about that?
Keep spinning, keep spinning.
No!
Keep spinning.
No, not anymore.
Let's go. Around the oh. Look at you two spinning.
Help me! Help me!
I'm gonna have to wait, Queen.
No!
Wait, I can't. No, they're gonna try to jump up here, Gina. You gotta get your butt over here. Hurry up.
I brought you a
Oh,
present.
Wait. Okay, come on. Come on.
You wanna see it?
Come on, no. No, not you.
Oh no!
No!
Oh. You wanna see a present that I got you?
You got me a present?
I did. You wanna see?
Yeah. I don't want that.
But I got you your favorite thing. Come
Ow!
here. Oh. That was. Did you just die?
What the
Oh my
heck
God!
happened? I slid down and I
Oh
took
my
damage
God.
from that.
Oh my God! Oh my God! You were that low?
Yeah, I was at 18 health.
Oh my God!
Oh, I'm close to
Damn.
the house though. So. Oh no. No, I will not please exit the building. Ow!
Oh,
leave me
you're
alone.
almost here. You're almost here.
Huh?
Wait a minute. How do I put this damn?
Ah! It's fine, I'm just gonna die.
No, it's okay. I'll get it.
Let me die.
Oh
Ow!
my God. Got it. I got it. Look.
I don't
Oh.
think you do.
Oh, mother. I fell.
I just said let me die. Look, I'm gonna die anyway. One more blow. Boom! Right in the face.
Yeah, you don't know who Bibble is? You don't know. That's
Hey,
so sad.
don't hate. Appreciate.
No! No!
Why not?
People are gonna think I'm mean. Take that out.
No, I'm gonna keep that in. I'm gonna keep
I'm
in you
not
yelling at me.
mean. I promise I'm not mean.
No, she's mean, guys.
No.
She's
No,
really
I'm not
mean.
mean. I'm not. Stop it, Maddie. Stop it.
You broke my heart. Wait, I see you.
I see you.
Oh, you're being chased, Miss Girl.
No, I'm dying. I have 7 things left.
Wait, here. Gina,
Oh my
run.
God.
What the hell are you doing? Just run.
I can't. This is as bad as I can go. Oh.
Oh, they died. Okay, well, I'm running then. Oh, never mind.
Oh, I'm getting chased. Excuse me.
Noob. Oh, wait, I'm getting chased.
Nah, don't even. I hope you die.
Hey,
slow and
that's
painful death.
rude. That is so rude. I just want to live in my man cave in peace.
Your man cave.
Yeah, I'm gonna make my man cave a reality.
Okay.
I'm gonna make it real. I'm gonna have
Yeah?
my own man cave.
Yeah? What are you gonna have in there?
Yeah, no, not you. Me, I think. Wait, no. There's a pencil. I want the pencil. Oh, now something's chasing me. It didn't want me to take its pencil, but I want that pencil.
Literally, I'm trying to help you and you're just attacking me.
Don't even.
You're just attacking me.
Do not.
You're just attacking me. You're just attacking me.
Do not.
You're just
I am not
attacking
attacking you. Don't
Yes,
you dare.
you are.
Don't you dare.
You're hurting my feelings.
No.
You are hurting my feelings.
No,
and I don't appreciate it.
No, I am not hurting your feelings.
Well, my feelings are hurt, so.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are.
No,
How do
they're
you
not.
know how I feel? That's so funny.
No, they're not hurt.
You're trying to force emotions on me.
No,
Makes sense.
you're trying
You're
to
not.
make the viewers upset with me by ending the video, but they're not gonna fully watch it anyway.
No.
You said that so suspiciously. Are you sus, Gina?
You already just fell.
I just broke my ankles.
Yeah.
And you.
Oh. Hey.
What?
I'm running away. You're scary. First, you hurt my feelings.
Yippee toppy toota! Get back here!
No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do parkour. Ready? Ready?
Yippee!
Ready?
Yeah.
Boom. Yes.
Oh, that was.
I'm so good.
It's red.
Boom.
Night. It's red.
What is that? The red means I love you. Do you love me because it's red? Oh. Okay, I guess. That's fine. That's fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Are you stuck down there now?
No. These guys are frozen.
Oh. Is that what happened? It's red? What are you doing?
I'm safe. Kinda. I'm gonna die.
The Puckerton just yawned.
Yawn! I want some soda. You want a soda?
Sure.
Get it yourself.
I hate you.
Here, I'll get you a soda. Here.
No, I got it. I can get it myself, actually.
Here.
I don't need you. No, go away. This is my man cave. Get out.
No, this is my man cave, actually. I
No,
made it
this is my
myself. You did
Actually,
not
no.
contribute
No.
to any of this
No.
man cave
No.
at all.
No.
You did not
No.
contribute to it. No,
No.
you
No.
do
I
not
think you're
get
just
to claim the
delusional.
title of this
No.
man cave.
No,
Yeah,
I can do what I
exactly.
want, actually.
No, wait, what?
What?
What did you just say to me?
I said,
You better back
this
the
is your
fuck.
cave? This is your man cave, and I'm sorry that I was, I don't know what came over me, I don't know what happened.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Okay. That's
Mhm.
nice thought. What else would I say?
I don't know. Not actually gonna leave that. Wow.
What did you say? Oh, Kitty Puckerton's leaving me.
I'm amazed.
Amazed by what?
This pure beauty. Oh my god.
Thank you. Thank you. You're making me blush. Oh my god.
I can see it on your cheeks.
You can see it?
Yeah.
I know, right? I made sure, yep.
It's a little bit difficult to see because it's like red. Have a seat. I dare you.
Sit where?
On the sign.
Here?
No, on the sign. On the sign. In the sky. That says have a seat. I dare you.
Oh.
Oh.
I didn't realize it said that.
Oh, I just broke my ankles. He's not here.
Oh, this is making me tired. This music.
Change, let's go. I know, right?
Let's go.
Still?
Can't come?
Yeah.
Imagine, that's so sad.
Hey, yo?
I'm just kidding. Just joking.
Slide into the DMs.
No. I think we should make an adopt me video. Comment down below if you want to see adopt me.
Didn't you also request Fashion Famous too?
No.
Are you my
That's
fan?
not me. Nah.
That is so mean!
Maddie, I was like your first subscriber. Don't even.
That's true. None of you guys can say
Yeah,
the same
I'm like-
thing.
From like 10 years ago, I was already subscribed to your channel.
Gina was like #1 OG, Baller was like 90 something OG, and you know what? That's a flex. That is a
Yeah.
flex.
Yeah.
A lot of y'all could never.
Yeah, you know.
Cutting you out of my life. I'm just kidding.
Hey! You butthead. Don't you dare do that. I will cry. You're, Oh.
Ah!
Why did you jump down?
Wait, I'm being dragged!
Oh my god, our house is destroyed.
Ah!
What happened to it? Oh my god. Can I run? I
Help
can.
me!
Come up, come
Help
up.
me!
Come up. Where's the ladder?
Look at me! Look at me!
What's going on? Are you stuck on the
I'm
floor?
not moving by myself.
Oh my god.
All I'm moving
god.
is my mouse.
Wait, I jumped down without getting the ladder, so
I can't
think
get
we're
back
fine.
up.
Wait, you can get up without the ladder,
Help
actually.
me!
I don't know what to help you. I don't know how to help you.
I'm
fun.
like stuck in the floor or something.
Please stop.
I'm zooming, bro.
Zooming. You're moving like a snake.
Wait. No, I gotta get back. I'm so far away. I'm fixed. I can't
Come
climb the
on,
ladder.
Slowpoke, let's go!
I can't climb it. I have no
Jesus.
energy. I have no energy.
I'll get you food. Hold on.
Yeah. Give me food.
Okay. I'm getting you food. Chill.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Drop. That's all we have, so.
Oh. Lemon's under him. You butthead.
Oh, I couldn't grab them.
I got this. Ready? Perfect timing.
What the hell are you
Perfect
doing?
timing.
Nope. Nope.
Yeah, I got it. Yippee!
Wow.
Now I have 34 energy. Okay, say bye.